So I built a system called ShiftLeft Society. So basically, the biggest issue with AI code reviewers right now is that they generate way too many false positive alerts. So developers just end up ignoring them. So to fix this, I built a multi-agent system where the AI reviewers actually negotiate their disagreements to filter out the noise. So here you can see the real pull request with a few security flaws baked on purpose. So I'm going to click the create pull request. Click this one. All right. So the second this opens, the system reviews the code automatically in the background. So let me just refresh. Yeah. So it appears. So yeah. So here you can see two agents just analyze the code, caught the critical issues, and dropped a verdict. So in this case, you can see the security auditor flagged a critical command injection, and then the performance analyst flagged a few other risks. So to figure out the final verdict, they actually negotiate. So and then here you can see the negotiation script. So basically, each agent gets a confidence budget. So in this case, the security decided to fully defend its stance. So spending like 60 points out of its 113 budget. And then performance only took a partial stance, spending 15. So in this case, the LLM only picks the position. So the deterministic Python actually calculates the math and the final outcome. So in day-to-day process integration work, basically you really can't rely on an AI black box. So you need this kind of auditable paper trail. So next, check this out. So basically here the system has long-term memory. So in this case, it's been right 95% of the 95% of the time over 45 past pull requests. So it is basically earned 13 bonus budget points today. So yeah, the system literally learns which of its own reviewers to trust over time. And at the bottom, you can see that over here, you can see it hands you the exact code to fix it safely. So yeah, so that's the explanation of this result. So to prove this works, I benchmarked 40 cases. A single AI reviewer scored 82.5%, but my tribunal scored 95%. So the negotiation is actually successfully filtered out the noise, meaning far fewer false alarms. So this is deployed live on Alibaba Cloud for about 2 cents per review. So you can just like open the PR and a few seconds later you get a reliable verdict, the reasoning and the exact code to fix it safely actually. That's ShiftLeft Society. So check out the GitHub for the full architecture. Thanks for watching.